Students to the online class of computer of class 10th revising basic Java concept. In that we had studied operator and expressions in the last class. Now see, the building blocks of a programs are class, object, method, statement, expression, variable, etc. Java offers two selection statements, if and switch, and it offers three iterative constructs, for, while and do while. An initial class contains main function inside it. The program is given the same name as that of its initial class. Remember this one, okay? Now, the while and do while statement. The while statement continuously executes a block of statements while a particular condition is true. Its syntax can be expressed as while expression statements. The while statement evaluates expression which must return a boolean value. If the expression evaluates to true, the while statement executes the statement in the while block. The while statement continues testing the expression and executing its block unit. The expression evaluates to false while using the while statement to print the value from 1 through 10. It can be accomplished by following program. See, class while demo, public static void, count 1 while less than 11, system.out println count. Just we had make it do while statement. Syntax can be do statement while expressions. The difference between do while and while is that do while evaluates its expression at the bottom of the loop instead of the top. Therefore, the statement within the do block are always executed at once only. See, the while loop of Java iterates or repeats as long as the given test condition is true. Remember this one, when it is true. The syntax of the while loop is while test expression loop body, where the loop body may contain a single statement, a compound statement or an empty statement. Okay. So the difference between do while and while is that do while evaluates the expression at the bottom of the loop instead of a top. And the do while loop also works based on the condition, but it is designed in such a way it executes at least once if the test condition is false. The reason behind do while loop evaluates the condition after executing the body of the loop. Every time after executing loop body, the test condition is evaluated and it is true, then the loop body is executed, otherwise loop terminates. Remember this one, okay? Otherwise it will be terminate. The for statement. The for statement provides a compact way to iterate over a range of values. Programmers refers for loop because it is the way in which it repeats loops until a particular condition is satisfied. The general form of for statement can be expressed as follows: initialization, termination, increment statement. When using the for statement, we have to remember it initializes the loop, it terminates the false, the loop terminates, the increment expression is invoked after the iteration through the loop. It is a perfect acceptable for the expression to increment or decrement a value. So these are the some what we had studied, expressions and operators which are used in the basic Java concept. One more is that the break and continue statement. The break statement, it is used inside a switch ends that case, and when a break statement is executed inside a loop, the loop is terminated and program controls resumes at the next statement. And the continue statement, which is executed inside a loop, then from that point all the remaining statement of the body are skipped and loop proceed with the next iteration. So these are the some basic Java concepts you have to remember there. And then next class we'll start with the chapter number 2 and some practicals also will start it. Okay, some programs, with the programs we will start it. Okay, thank you.